You see her? Hi, Kylie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, jeez.
Happy no, but when we weren't on it, it was another birthday. Happy birthday, Kylie. It's your birthday now. At my house. At my house. I'm gonna sing this. I'm gonna sing this song. Is everything ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sing this song to Kylie now. Happy Dad. Mr. Vanderkamp sung Kylie a very short song. I know how to go. Yeah, it took like 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, say bye, bye.
What happened with your bus driver?
It was on our way. It crashed. Yeah. So then they called another bus driver. Yeah, so I had to call that one.
Is she okay?
It's a boy. No, I think so. The last time it broke down too. He just got
You
out.
excited it's your birthday?
He got out and he was perfectly fine. Hey, Kylie, I got you a new. Someone just dented it and it didn't like turn on and start or anything. I got you a new. So it could have like crashed like something and it could have